You are planning a trip to Gilgit Baltistan this summer, but you don't have any idea where to begin. Just go to northonwheels.com website. You will come to this home page where you have lots of things you can explore at your own time. But for now, we will head on to this places page. In the places page, we have around 83 places listed in Gilgit Baltistan, which includes the whole of Gilgit Baltistan in its entirety. On the left hand side, you can see various filters. Filters can be segregated into different districts of Gilgit Baltistan plus KPK. You can click on any of the filters, and these 83 places have been narrowed down to 16. Plus, we can add more filters and add more places from this side. Once we have that, we are good to go. Then we have other filters like activities. What activities do you want to do? You can select your activities that are of your choice, and the places will update on the right side automatically. Followed by transport, what sort of a car or a jeep or a parado, whatever you have with you. When you just click on that, then all the places that are accessible on a car will be shown on the right side. So then we have the road conditions. If you're with the family, then you just need to click this family destinations, and all those places where you can go with the family will be shown on the right side. So followed by mobile network and followed by the internet providers. You can select all those these filters, and various places will pop on the right side, which you can further sort it with the respect to distance nearest to furthest to time nearest to farthest. Let's say you've decided to go to a particular place, let's say Rakaposhi viewpoint. You just click on it, and you'll be brought to this page where you'll see the pictures of Rakaposhi, followed by the destination highlights, followed by activities that you can do, followed by a complete detailed guide about that place, summary, location, travel tips, what you can do over there, an itinerary, hotel, complete one-day itinerary to Rakaposhi viewpoint, followed by different hotels and accommodations, rent-a-car options. Then what's the weather at Rakaposhi, important distances, and nearby attractions to Rakaposhi viewpoint. You just need to click on any of those where you are interested in, and you will be brought to that specific section which you can read and go through. So this is how you select places, and you can create your own itinerary. All you need to do is to have some time, go to this northonwheels.com/places page, where you can filter based on the activities or districts or transport that you have, and then you can explore various places and list those places down, and then draft an itinerary. Plus, what you can do is to join our WhatsApp community, where we're updating about the latest road conditions, any discount offers that we're providing, and things like this. So till then, hope to see you guys in a new video with a new update. Take care of yourselves. North on Wheels, where we guide and you decide.